How to use everyday rewards balance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use and I'll explain you on how you can get more from everyday rewards. Now first things first is the boost. You can collect up to 10 points for every dollar you spend. Find boosters in your everyday rewards app or inbox like here, and you can see the booster here down below. I've boosted it. Now similarly, in order to shop, you can collect a minimum of 1 point for every dollar each and every time you shop and scan at Woolworths and the other partners. Similarly, you can enjoy by choosing to get $10 off a future shop and convert to 1000 Qantas points every time you reach 2000 everyday rewards points. Similarly, once you collect points on all your everyday shops, there are certain partners, that is Woolworths, Big V, Big W, BWS, Easy Ample, Qantas, Bupa, Origin, Healthy Life, Marley Spoon, Daniel Lee, Metro, Milkern, and My Deal. You can secure one scan to collect points and pay. So basically, hope this helped you. This is how you can use your everyday rewards balance and how you can use your everyday rewards points. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.